Black Friday is right here, and these are the best tech deals that you can get this Black Friday 2025. So let's get started. Guys, I am going to show you 3 products that stole my heart, and I think that they are truly an amazing deals for this Black Friday. And some brands, I'm going to repeat them because I already showed them here on my channel, but the deals are so amazing that I couldn't resist. So guys, let's get started. So the very first product I would love to talk about is this HOVERAir X1 Pro Max 8K resolution flying camera. This product stole my heart. This is a must-have for any creator out there. And even if you are not an influencer, you do not do UGC, just for your own memories, this camera is gonna give you the best, most amazing, beautiful shots, and it has endless possibilities. Let's get started with the review. Can you believe this tracking drone fits in my pocket? This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max, and honestly, it's one of those gadgets that instantly feels like the perfect gift for anyone who loves creating content, traveling, or capturing memories in a way a phone could never do. This tiny flying camera was featured in Time's Best Innovations of 2025, and once you use it, you understand why. It shoots up to 8K resolution, which means the footage looks cinematic, sharp, and incredibly detailed, whether you're filming travel content, sports, or everyday life. And what surprised me most is how easy it is to use. Even without using a controller, you can launch it from your hand. Yes, from your hand directly, with a tap, or even with a voice command, and it starts filming right away. If you pair it with the remote controller, you get an even richer flying experience with more precise control and advanced flying techniques. For tracking, it's honestly on another level. It can follow you at speeds up to 42 kilometers per hour, which is about 26 miles per hour, and even hit bursts up to 60 kilometers per hour. So whether you are biking, skiing, hiking, running, or doing any high motion activity, it stays locked onto you like a personal camera operator. There are multiple tracking modes like follow, side track, cycling mode, dolly track, and indoor follow, so you can get different cinematic shots with almost zero effort. The stabilization is also really well done for such a compact device. It uses a 2-axis gimbal combined with EIS and horizon leveling, so the footage looks smooth even during fast directions changes or rough terrain movements. The results feels like action camera footage but filmed from the sky. Another important thing I want to highlight is safety. The propellers are fully enclosed, so it is safe to handle, launch, and use around people. The body is lightweight, strong, and made from safe impact-resistant aerospace materials. The drone also includes rare active obstacle protection, so it slows down before making contact with any object. That makes it really beginner-friendly and reassuring if you have never flown a drone before. And finally, the design. It is fully foldable, compact, weighs under 250 grams, and easy to carry in a small pocket or bag. The new tri-state modular beacon gives you the option to fly it one-handed, two-handed, or completely hands-free, depending on how you use it. So if you are looking for a unique gift that feels premium, memorable, and actually useful, this is such a fun option. Christmas is coming, and I know, guys, that you all need gift ideas, and the Black Friday right now is the best time to shop for Christmas gifts because this is the lowest price of the entire year. It is one of those things people don't think to buy for themselves, but once they try, they want to bring it everywhere. Travel, workouts, holidays, events, road trips, or content creation. And since the Black Friday sale is active right now, you can save up to 35% and get a free battery, which makes it an even better deal. A pocket-sized 8K quality flying camera that follows you automatically and makes every shot look cinematic. Tell me that's not the coolest gift idea upgrade for 2026. Guys, be so very sure to check HOVERAir X1 Pro Max out. They are offering so many different models. You don't have to get this specifically one, but you can go and check out, choose from different options that they are offering. This is the best one so far, and I absolutely love this camera. So guys, be so very sure to check this one out right now. This is the lowest price of the year, through the entire year. Like next time it's gonna be so low, gonna happen in a year from now, next Black Friday 2026. So if you don't wanna wait a year to get this one at the lowest price possible, you better go check it out right now. So guys, I will leave you all the links, all the sales information, all the coupon code, discount codes, all the possible way to save some money of yours down below at the description box. And right now we are moving to my next product. And my next tech product, which is the best Black Friday deal, are these two headphones and earbuds by Nothing. And they are having an amazing Black Friday deal. How cool are these? I absolutely love their like futuristic type like cyberpunk design of these headphones. They absolutely fit my style. They are extra comfortable and the sound quality is amazing. Now talking about the earbuds, they are coming in this amazing clear case and you can charge them through the case. How cool is that? And these are extra comfortable too. They feel and look absolutely awesome inside your ear. They are extra comfortable. There is no any type of a pressure into my ears and they look so very stylish. I am a huge fan of these earbuds. They just look so cool. Guys, let's get started with a detailed review. There are a lot of headphones and earbuds on the market. Yes, we all know that. But most of them either sound great and have terrible call quality, or they are amazing for calls and just average for music. So today I'm testing two new releases from Nothing to see if they finally found the balance. The Nothing Headphone 1 and the Nothing Ear A. Let's start with the Nothing Headphone 1. The first thing you notice is the design. It has that signature transparent Nothing look, but it's not just aesthetic. The frame is reinforced aluminum and the memory foam cushions stay comfortable during long listening sessions because they don't trap heat or makeup. Important for us girls. Sound quality is so impressive. These were tuned with the Key EF, a well-known British audio brand with over 60 years of engineering experience. The tuning feels natural and balanced, and they support high-res wireless, LDAC, USB-C audio, and even a 3.5mm jack if you want a wired lossless setup. For noise control, you get hybrid ANC with adaptive microphones and multiple modes including high, medium, low, adaptive, and transparency. There is also spatial audio with head tracking for movies and live recordings. Battery life is one of the standout features. With ANC on, you get up to 35 hours of listening and up to 80 hours with ANC off. And if you are in a rush, a 5-minute charge gives you up to 5 hours of playback. Controls are simple and intuitive. A roller for volume, a paddle for tracks, and a customizable shortcut button. You can fine-tune everything in the Nothing X app with an 8-band EQ, ultra bass, and personalized ANC. Now, the Nothing Ear A. Let's move on to the earbuds. These are definitely built for communication. Now, the design is the first thing everyone notices. It just looks different in a cool way. Not trying too hard, but still very Nothing. I kind of love pulling them out in public. And the sound, honestly, way better than what I thought that something in this price range could do. The bass hits deeper, vocals feel cleaner. It just makes my playlist sound better. Whether I am chilling at home or running errands. And the ANC, wow. I put them in and the background just melts in a really natural way. Not that heavy ear pressure feeling, just enough quiet so I can stay in my own little world when I want to. So yeah, they ended up being the pair I reach for when I actually want to enjoy my music, not just have something to listen with. There is transparency mode, a gaming low latency mode, and full customization inside the Nothing X app, just like with the Headphone 1. For battery performance, the Nothing Ear A delivers up to 42.5 hours of total playback with the charging case and up to 9.5 hours on a single charge without ANC. That's make them one of the longest lasting earbuds in their category. So here is the simple breakdown. If you want impressive listening, long battery life, and comfortable over-ear sound, the Nothing Headphone 1 is the best fit for you. But if you prioritize call clarity, portability, and strong ANC in a small form factor, Ear. The Nothing Ear A is the one to grab. Both products feel thoughtfully engineered, easy to use, and surprisingly powerful for their price category. So whether you want immersive over-ear listening or a compact pair built for crystal clear calls, both of these fit into everyday life in a way that feels simple, smart, and genuinely intentional. Guys, I truly hope you loved my review. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I'll be happy to hear that. I will leave you all of the links for both of these earphones and earbuds down below in the description box. So this is gonna be the lowest price of the year through the entire year. So you snooze, you lose. Be so very sure to get them right now. Black Friday deal, the lowest price of the year once again. I will leave you all the information, coupon codes, discount codes, promotions, sales, any possible way to save some money of yours down below at the description box to this video of mine. So you will have a direct link to both of these products as well as a discount information. As well as I'm gonna pin it all at the comment section to be the very first comment. And now guys, we are moving to the next and last product for this video of mine. And I am gonna review the Govee Life Smart Night Light lamp, which is an amazing product for kids and for adults. I have a toddler and she's obsessed with this lamp. Let's get started with the review.
So what is RGBIC technology? This is actually the upgraded version of the RGB. We all know what RGB is. So unlike RGB that can only display a single lightning effect of colors on one strip, RGBIC, it's a high technology that allows to display multiple colors at the same time and multiple effects on one strip, like at the same strip at the same time. So this is why RGBIC is the newest lightning effect technology, and this Govee Smart Night Light is equipped with 108 RGBIC lamp beads, which means that each lamp bed is matched with an IC which can realize independent control and present a full magic color effect. So this is not just a Govee Smart Night Light. This Govee Glide Night Light is also a speaker that can be connected to your devices via the Bluetooth, and it can play anything you want, like music, stories, podcasts, movies, and so very on. Another thing that I really love is the tap control, and by turning on the bedtime switch mode, you can choose the times that this mode is going to be available on and at, and this is how you will be able to control your light through simple tap. And that's pretty all. So very easy.
Guys, I truly hope you loved this Govee Life Smart Night Light lamp review by me, and I absolutely love that it works with a smart app, so I can always check the situation with the lamp even if my toddler is already asleep, so there is no need to walk into her room, wake her up to turn off the lamp. I have a smart app, so once I see through the baby monitor she fell asleep, I will just turn off the lamp. Or if she feels like sleeping with a white noise or sleeping with some calming down music and have the lamp on a dim settings, then I can absolutely change it all through the smart application without once again interrupting her sleep. And we all know that the sleep of a baby is the most precious thing you can ever have. So guys, be so very sure to check Govee Life out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box, as well as any information about the Black Friday sales. So coupon codes, discount codes, any possible way to save your money, everything is going to be listed down below in the description box to this video of mine. So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching my Black Friday best deals and must-haves video, and I love you all. I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO Valentine.